So I want to start off this video by saying I feel like a massive faggot. And I don't mean that in a bad way. It's just I'm walking around fucking retarded, whatever. And then I gotta fuck, slightly fuck, not ass fuck. So bad. Anyways, it's morning time. I'm just waking up. We're fully functioning. Full audio tap in the thing. Plus, I think it'll make word choice, fluency. The more I do it, I'll get better. Talking mad shit, really fucking good with words. This is the journey. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. I'm scared.
So far, this is more like a corn path.
That was a good hit.
It felt like if you let go of the gas, like you're going back. Like it was the scariest fucking thing ever. After, then I might contact them, but I wouldn't contact them ahead of time. I wonder, like, where are they at? Yeah, sausage is really good. They say he like basically like rusts the whole. You might even just be able to do a 360 first. I don't know if that's your thing.
Yeah, it looks like you can back down and go to the side. Maybe we'll do that.
Yeah. It changed my entire life, but I understand that you have to have your own experience for it to ever change anything for a person.
I need definitive proof on things. Is my whole thing.
Yeah. And for me, that wasn't the proof.
It-
I'm terrified to die.
I had I wouldn't say that like I'm like living 90% of the shit that I'm doing.
And I think that's pretty impressive.
Would anybody
But
like?
also, with that being said, Will Ferrell writes his own movies.
That's good.
I'll
Nobody's
give you
gonna
one.
try to take your Twinkie from you. Thank you, though.
Offer's always out there, but I would have felt bad about not offering after Tanner offered.
You know, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it all hooked up. I think it's just a matter of finding out which remote controls the speakers.
It's not the knob?
Just turn that around somewhere.
Dang, I'm retarded. Yesterday I was really struggling to focus on video. All I have to do is touch the screen.
He can't eat rocks.
Alright, smile.
Tell me when.
Alright, go for it. Keep posing.
Huh?
You gotta pose.
Oh.
Keep posing.
I hate posing. Okay.
Boy, hi, boy, no. Victoria's like, what the